Welcome and thank you for being here. In this meditation, we'll gently release anxiety and overthinking. If your mind feels busy, if your thoughts are looping, or if your body is tense from stress, this is your space to let go, your space for stillness. A space for you, a time to rest, to reconnect with your breath, and gently quiet the noise in your mind. To breathe and to return to your natural state of inner calm and serenity. There's nothing you need to do. Just let yourself be here, exactly as you are. Now, find a comfortable position, either sitting or laying down. Let your body settle. Let your hands rest. Close your eyes softly and begin to shift your focus inward. Let's start with 3 deep breaths. Inhale through your nose, expand your lungs fully. Exhale through your mouth, slowly. Again, inhale deeply, feel the breath flow in. Exhale, let go. One more time. Inhale, calm. Exhale, tension. There we go. Now allow your breath to find a natural rhythm. You don't have to change anything. Just notice. Observe the breath as it moves in and out. Follow the rise and fall, the gentle wave. This is your anchor. If your mind begins to wander, that's okay. That's what minds do. When you notice it, just come back to your breath, back to this moment, with kindness, with patience. Now bring your awareness to your body. Notice where your body connects to the ground beneath you. Feel yourself supported. You are held. You are safe. Let that truth settle in. Now bring gentle attention to your head. Let your forehead soften, your eyes relax, unclench your jaw. With each exhale, let go a little more. Down to your shoulders. Allow them to drop, releasing the weight they carry. Feel the breath expand your chest and soften as you exhale. Breathe into your heart space. Imagine light entering with each breath in and stress melting away with each breath out. Bring this awareness to your belly. Let it rise as you inhale and fall as you exhale. Allow this rhythm to soothe you. There's nothing you need to do but breathe. Stay here for a few cycles, letting your breath guide you, hold you, nourish you. Now, imagine you are walking in nature, a quiet forest path. Tall trees surround you. The air is clean. With each breath, you inhale calm. You exhale everything you no longer need. You feel more grounded with each step, more peaceful with each breath. You hear only the sounds of nature, the gentle rustle of leaves, the breeze through the trees, and your own quiet breath. Now, find a peaceful spot in the forest, a soft place to sit. There's sunlight gently coming through the branches. You close your eyes in the forest too and simply breathe. Feel the earth beneath you. Feel your breath moving through you. Let your thoughts drift like leaves on a stream, appearing, floating, disappearing. You don't have to hold them, let them pass. With every breath, feel your chest open. Feel stillness expand and say to yourself gently, I am calm. I am safe. My breath is enough. My mind is quiet. Repeat slowly in your mind. I am calm. I am safe. My breath is enough. My mind is quiet. Let each word land softly like a feather on water. Let's rest here a bit longer in silence. Just you, your breath, and this peaceful forest. Slowly and gently, begin to bring your awareness back to your physical body. Feel the breath again in your chest, your belly, your hands, your feet. Gently wiggle your fingers and your toes. Roll your shoulders if it feels good, and come back slowly. There's no rush. Before you open your eyes, take a moment to feel grateful. Grateful for your breath. Grateful for showing up for yourself. Grateful for the peace you carry within. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes. Bring this calm with you into the rest of your day. Thank you for being here. Thank you for breathing with me. Namaste.